guys, thank you for watching Traveling with Jay. This is me Janita and I'm back with another update on the IPO. So today we are going to discuss about another IPO which is open for subscription, that is Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. So in this video I am going to discuss what is this company deals into, what are the details of this particular IPO, what are the objectives behind this particular IPO. So stay tuned with the video till the end. If you're new to this channel, I am Janita and I post videos related to finance, education and travel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my future videos. Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited was incorporated in 1996. It is a chemical manufacturing company that manufactures certain products known as structure directing agents, that is SDAs, then phase transfer catalyst, that is PTCs, then pharmaceuticals and agrochemical intermediates, and many more specialty chemicals. It is among the largest manufacturer of SDAs for zeolites in India. The company serves across industries such as automotive, petroleum, agrochemicals, dyes and pigments, then paints and coatings, pharmaceuticals, personal care and others. They not only sell their products to India but also export their products to more than 25 countries all over the world. And you know, out of the total revenue, 76% of the revenue was generated out of export as per the financial year 2020 data. And currently they have two manufacturing facilities. One is in Ankleshwar and another one in Dahej in Gujarat. Let me show you some list of customers that the company currently have, and then I will show you the financial report of the last 3 years for Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited.
The list of customers include Merck, Bayer AG, Ipox Chemicals, Laurus Labs, Navin Fluorine International Limited, Atul Limited, Otsuka Chemicals, SRF Limited, Hawks Chemical Company, Formanage Aromatics Prod Private Limited, and DV's Laboratories are a few of the customers of the company. Now let's look at the financial statement for the last 3 years. So as of 31st March 2019, the profit after tax was 205.43 million. As of 31st March 2020, the profit after tax was 377.89, whereas 31st March 2021, it has increased to 522.62 million. So it has shown a good trend for the last 3 years.
Now let's talk about the competitive strengths of the company. They are leading manufacturers of SDAs and PTCs, diversified product portfolio, that means they are into variety of chemicals. Then they have global market presence with a good customer base across industries and a good financial track record. Let's move to the last segment of the video, that is IPO details. This IPO is already open for subscription from yesterday, that is 16th July 2021, and the last date of subscription is 20th July 2021. IPO price band is 1073 rupees to 1083 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is of 13 shares and it will be listed on both BSE and NSE. Issue size of this particular IPO is 500 crores, out of which 225 crore is a fresh issue and offer for sale is 275 crore. Allotment date is 26th July 2021 and it will be listed on stock exchange on 29th July 2021. To buy one lot, you will require 14,079 rupees and maximum you can have 14 lots. As of yesterday, Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited was oversubscribed by 4.51 times and it has an overall chance of oversubscription and high listing gains. So guys, that was all about Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited IPO. I hope you find this information useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Traveling with Jay. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.